guys! Welcome back to my channels. For today's video guys, try to nating isda na to. My husband bought, I don't know the name but I will put it later here. And I will try this one. I didn't try it yet and he wants me to try that by showing you. So, yeah. But it look like it's a kinilaw from the Philippines, in the Philippines. Kinilaw in the Philippines, but yeah, we'll try it because I'm so excited. I've been looking for fish here, and yeah, because we're so busy, and I tried to stay for more in the house for a while for our safety, because we've been traveling exposed to a lot of people, and when we're in the airplane Hong Kong to here in the Netherlands, the plane was full, and so a lot of people, so we will try this one now. So yeah, thank God our travel is safe. Ooh, the look yummy. So this is for you guys. Para siyang ano, it look like that it's hindi ko pa alam. Oh, it's yum. It's so sour. Very good. Smell, and there's a lot of onion, guys. Tastes good. I don't know, maybe just because I'm looking for fish, and this my husband bought this one, and yeah, ano bang ginagawa? So yeah. Tastes so good though. Masarap tong kainin if this is masarap siyang kainin guys pag pag may rice, kasi para siyang pinakpaksiw na isda. Yeah. Pero you can smell the fish so strong, but the taste is, I like it, but it depends on you guys if you will like it. It depends what is your taste is and things like that. But for me, it tastes good. It's just a bit too sour for me. It's just too bit. What? But it tastes good. I want to buy more of this, and then put soya sauce, and I'm gonna eat with rice. Yeah. You like this one, Jule? You want to eat fish?
No. I don't like to eat that kind of disgusting fish.
You don't like? Sorry. She don't like the smell because it's too strong. But the taste is, it's okay. It's yummy. It's a bit. I just don't like that it's too sour. But if you put the soya sauce, it's gonna taste good. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. I think I want to eat this one with rice, and I'll put a little bit soya sauce in it, so it's gonna taste good. I didn't eat my lunch yet, and the time here is already, the time is 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock and noon. So I'm too hungry. So yan guys, see you again next time, guys. Love you all.